Welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing CBSE Class 10 Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. We are continuing the chapter. Last video we were discussing exercise 8.1. So in the last video we did up to 8th question. Now moving on to the 9th one. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of first one sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, and second question cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. So here given that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. So we can draw a right angle triangle. Right angled at B means the angle B, here this angle is 90-degree angle. Let this be A and this be C. Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 means opposite by adjacent. So this can be written as K and here root 3K, because 1 by root 3 is the ratio. So some constant terms might have cancelled and we have got the value 1 by root 3. So we can write this as BC. Numerator we can write multiply a K, denominator also we can multiply a K there, and we can write the numerator, that is BC, is equal to K, and denominator, that is AB, opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent means it is AB, it is equal to root 3 times K. Now if one side is root 3K, other side is K, how can you find out AC? That is by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can find out what is the length of AC. So AC is equal to root of base square plus altitude square, and that is equal to root of base is root 3K whole square plus altitude square is K square, and that can be written as root of 3K square plus K square, which is equal to root of 4K square, or that is 2K. So hypotenuse is 2K. Now we can find what are the values of sin A, cos C and all from this. So sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A is equal to opposite side is BC by hypotenuse is AC. BC is K by AC is 2K, and that is equal to 1 by 2. Sin A is equal to 1 by 2, so cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse and we will get it as root 3 by 2. Same way for sin C. Sin C means for this angle we have to find opposite by hypotenuse. So sin C equal to opposite side of C is root 3 by 2, and cos C is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is K by 2K, and that is equal to 1 by 2. Now according to the first question, we have to find what is sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Cos A into sin C. And that is sin A is 1 by 2, cos C is 1 by 2 plus cos A is root 3 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2. That is equal to 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, and that is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Now second one, question number 2. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A, what is the value of cos A? Root 3 by 2 into cos C is 1 by 2 minus sin A is 1 by 2 into sin C is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4, that's equal to 0. Now next one, Question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So, in a right angled triangle PQR, right angled at Q means this angle 90 degrees for Q, and the other two vertices are P and R. PQ is given as 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. So, if one side QR, if I am taking it as X, let QR is equal to X. So, PR can be written as 25 minus X. So, this side QR we can take it as X. So, this becomes 25 minus X. Then we are supposed to find what is sin P, cos P, tan P and all. For that, we have to find out the values of X. So, after getting the values of X only, we can find out the sides of this triangle and find what is sin P, cos P. So, for that first we have to use the Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle. That is, using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. And what is base? Base is x. X square plus altitude square is 5 square equal to hypotenuse is 25 minus x whole square. That is, x square plus 25 is equal to a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, 25 square minus 50x plus x square. Both sides x square is common, we can cancel that x square. Then 25 is equal to 625 minus 50x, or simplifying, taking 625 to the left side, we get it as 25 minus 625 is equal to minus 50x, or minus 600 is equal to minus 50x, or x is equal to 600 divided by 50, that is equal to 12. So, what are the sides of this triangle? X we got it as 12. So, this side we are getting it as 12. This side is equal to 12 centimeter. So, what about PR? PR is equal to 25 minus 12, which is equal to 13 centimeter. Now, we can find what is sin P, cos P and tan P. It is asked for sin P, cos P and tan P. So, sin P is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So, sin P means opposite of this side is 12, hypotenuse is 25 minus 12, that is 13. So, sin P is equal to RQ by RP, and that is equal to 12 by 13. Now, what is cos P? Cos P is adjacent by hypotenuse, we are getting there 5 by 13, and tan P is equal to dividing sin P by cos P, that is 12 by 13 divided by 5 by 13, which is equal to 12 divided by 5. Moving on to the next one, question number 11. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, the value of tan A. The value of tan A is always less than 1. That is, we have to check whether it is true or false. We have to state whether the statement, given statement is true or false. The value of tan A is always less than 1. This statement is false because the sides of the right triangle may have any length. So, tan A may have any value. So, sometimes opposite side, that is opposite by adjacent is tan A. So, if two sides, if one is less and the other one is bigger value, if you are dividing, sometimes you are getting more greater than 1, sometimes you will get less than 1. So, we cannot say that whether it is greater than 1 or less than 1, it depends on the length of the sides. So, here the answer is false because sides of a right triangle, may have any length. So, tan A may have any value. Now, second one, sec A is equal to 12 by 5 for some value of angle A. Sec A is equal to 12 by 5. Sec A will be always greater than 1. So, this is true. So, this is true as sec A is always greater than 1. Now, third sub question. Third one, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Cos A is the abbreviation used for cosecant of angle A. Cos A is the abbreviation for cosine, not for cosecant. So, this is also false, as cos A is the abbreviation of cosine A. Then fourth one, cot A is the product of cot and A. It is not the product of cot and A. It cannot be separated. It is an angle. A is an angle. So, how can we write? It is also false, as cot A is not the product, of cot and A. Cot is separated from A has no meaning. Cot, if separated from A, has no meaning. Now, fifth question there, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta is equal to 4 by 3 for some angle theta. Sin theta cannot be greater than 1. So this also is false, as sin theta cannot be greater than 1. So that is from that exercise. Now we will move on to trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles. So what are the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles? We have to study here for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, then 60 degree and 90 degree. So the angle here is angle A. And here, what is the sine of angle A? Sine A. Sine A is sine A, that is if angle A is 0, sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Then sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. Now we have to find what is cos A. Cos A we can just write from this side. So instead of 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, we can write what is cos A, just the reverse, that is 1, start from the side. Then next is root 3 by 2, then next is 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2 and last one 0. So that's a way of writing. Only we have to study what is sine. Sine ratios, if you are knowing, you can write the remaining. Then what will be tan? Tan A. For finding out tan A, we have to divide sin A by cos A. 0 by 1 is 0. Anything by 0 by anything is 0. Then 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is root 3 and 1 by 0 is not defined. Again, next is cosec A. Cosec ratio is the reciprocal of sine. So 1 by 0, reciprocal of sine means sine is 0, so reciprocal of sine is 1 by 0, 1 by 0 is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2, reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3 and reciprocal of 1 is 1. Same way for sec. Sec A. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1 is 1. Then reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 0 is not defined. Then next one, last one is cot. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan. So 1 by 0 is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 by not defined is 0. So these values we have to study by heart. So just study the first result, that is sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. Write in the reverse order from this side, you can get what is cos A. If you are dividing sin A by cos A, we will get tan A. And reciprocal of sin A is cosec A, reciprocal of cos is sec, then reciprocal of tan is cot. So that's a way of writing the values of trigonometric functions. Now we will move on to the example question. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. determine the lengths of the sides BC and AC. So, in triangle ABC, right angled at B. So, how the figure will be? First we have to draw the figure. And here in this question, figure is given. So, given that in triangle ABC, this is the right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, we can take this as A and this as C. AB is equal to 5 centimeter, angle ACB means this angle is 30 degree. Determine length of the sides BC and AC. In order to get this adjacent side, BC is the adjacent side. So, here opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BC. Opposite by adjacent we can go for tan. So, what is tan C? Tan C is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. And that is tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to opposite side is 5 by adjacent side is BC. So, we need to find what is BC. BC is equal to 5 by tan 30. And tan 30 value 5 divided by, how much is tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So, the answer is this 1 by root 3, taking the reciprocal, we are getting 5 root 3 centimeter. That is the length of BC. So, next we have to find what is AC also. So, in order to find what is AC, so now we got BC, this as 5 root 3. Now, in order to get AC, we can go for sine. Sine 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. And therefore, AC is equal to, we have to find what is AC, that is a hypotenuse. AC is equal to, take the sine 30 to this side and AC to the other side. So, AB by sine 30. AB, length of AB is 5 divided by sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. And that is equal to 5 into 2, which is equal to 10 centimeter. So, otherwise after taking AB and BC, we can go for Pythagoras theorem. You will get the same answer as 10 centimeter. Now, next one, question number 7. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PR is equal to 6 centimeter. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. So, here right angled at Q. So, first we have to draw the figure. A right angle triangle, PQR right angled at Q. So, P, Q and R. PQ is given as 3 centimeter, PR is given as 6 centimeter. Find how much is angle QPR, this angle, and PRQ, this angle we have to find. So, for this adjacent by hypotenuse, for this angle if I am considering, its adjacent side is PQ and hypotenuse is PR. Adjacent by hypotenuse is cos. So, from this figure, cos P can be written as adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And adjacent side is 3 divided by hypotenuse is 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. So, cos P is equal to 1 by 2. Cos P is equal to 1 by 2. So, which angle for cos we are getting it as 1 by 2? We are getting for 60 degrees. So, P angle QPR, P means it is QPR, angle P is equal to 60 degree. Now, if one angle is 60 and this angle is right angled, so what about angle R? Angle R will be 90 minus 60, that is equal to 30. So, now next one, question number 8. If Sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. Cos of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. 0 less than a plus b less than 90, less than or equal to 90 degree, and a is greater than b. Find angle A and B. Here, given that sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2, and therefore a minus b is equal to sine of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2. So, which value of sine we are getting it as 1 by 2? A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. Same way, cos of a minus b is equal to 1 by 2 means a minus b is equal to. So, which value of a cos we are getting it as 1 by 2? Cos we are getting it as cos 60. Here it is given sine of a minus b is equal to, and cos of a plus b is equal to 1 by 2. So, cos of a plus b is 1 by 2 means a plus b is equal to how much? Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So, this angle will be 60. Now, if we are solving these two equations, if we are solving, we can find what is a and b. We can go for any method, either elimination method or substitution method or whatever it is. Can go for elimination method, that is adding both the equations. We can cancel this both, adding. So, 2a is equal to 90 or a is equal to 45 degree. So, the value of a we got, one angle is 45. So, what about the other one? So, we can find b from any of these equations. So, b can be written as 60 minus angle a, 45, which is equal to 15 degree. So, we can go for either substitution method or elimination method or cross multiplication method, but here it is not much a complicated equation, it is very easy equation. So, you can directly go for elimination method and continue. Okay. So, in the next video we will discuss exercise 8.2. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.